Hello everyone, my name is Dino Vlahek and I will present our patent named Shape Bender that monitors the formation of any smart elastic textile. Me and my co-inventor, Professor Domen Mongus, are both researchers at Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science at University of Maribor. Main topics of our research are artificial intelligence, GIS, and computer graphics. Today, I will demonstrate our innovative solution to real-time reconstruction of the textile surface after its deformations for measurements of the changes in electrical resistance of conductive fibers. Efficient reconstruction of a deformation can lead to precise 3D scanning of an object beneath textile. For example, we can map muscle behavior and see how individual performs in sports or rehabilitation. Our invention thus enables to monitor their muscles during trainings or competitions that can be used in order to predict possible injuries. Our solution is wearable brace that can be placed on any muscle of a limb. It measures resistance of conductive fibers of a textile and maps them into distances between intersections of those fibers. Then we reconstruct a shape of a textile and updating it in real time. In order to demonstrate our solution profitability, we can look at total available medical technology market. In 2022, it is $500 billion. On the other hand, wearable medical devices market value is around $20 billion. Here, smartwatches and similar devices are not included. Market of wearable medical devices is highly profitable today, and it is open for high growth. 5-year prediction indicates that it will grow tenfold. To summarize, our invention is wearable, thus easy to use. It enables creation of a digital twin and muscle injury prediction. Our technology can be implemented as muscle medical device for diagnostic or telerehabilitation, as well as precise 3D scanner of any surface that deforms. Thank you for your attention.